The practice is wildlife habitat planting. That is more of a standard practice, and then they've added an additional modifier to the practice that makes it more friendly towards pollinators and specifically monarch butterflies. Wildlife habitat planting is a great alternative because it's not a permanent fixture necessarily. So it gives you that flexibility if you're a landowner who wants less maintenance and more conservation habitat.
I started doing bees, honeybees. And the first thing we did was the trees, which we got a grant for. And they're indigenous to Maryland, and they've got flowers that come in. But then when we got suggested to do wildflowers for the butterflies, I went, that's perfect for bees.
The wildlife habitat planting definitely ticks a lot of boxes for what they wanted to do, and then what kind of priority habitat we'd like to help farmers implement on their fields. The wildlife habitat planting helps them maintain the fields in an open environment without putting trees that would be hard to convert back to crop production in the future. And then it also provides benefits for their honeybees.
We've never grown anything until now. And now we're growing wildflowers and putting up habitats.
Working with NRCS has been fine. They were very informative in the beginning, explained a few things. Once we started into it, it's been a treasure.